Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. I just got back in the house from working on my little shop out there, trying to organize things and that. But yeah, here's a short video of the progress that's been going on, and hopefully soon I'll be doing some work out there that on the lathe again. But it's coming along. I'm still thinking, figuring out the design a bit. I think I need some shelves out there yet, so, but I'll show you where we're at. Well, here we go. Well, there's my shed again. I've got the paint on it, or the stain on it, solid gray color. I'm showing you this plug cord because I was trying to think of the easiest and cheapest way to run power out to my little shop. So I thought, well, why don't I just run the extension cord out? And once you get the door open, you'll see what I've done. There we go. I wired it all into the walls with house wire, and I just put a plug on the end. Switch on the wall, plug it on the wall there, and I have the lights all hooked up. They're on. I actually have 8 lights in this little shed, so I have lots of light out. 4 doubles actually. And then this is, I'm trying to show, I guess, that I want to put up some shelving yet. I put the benches in place for my chop saw, and I've been heating it with my little Mr. Buddy heater for now. I haven't put any insulation in yet, and that could be a while coming because it's quite costly. But that's where my lathe is going to sit. And there's my bench sander, and there's my sharpening grinder down at the end for sharpening my tools. And these buckets and stuff are mainly just empty now and will be moved. I did put up a pegboard above the lathe, but I don't know if that's going to stay there. And I think maybe a upper shelf along this wall here too. But that's pretty much where I'm at. I've got it all wired. I got my benches in. I'm starting to bring my tools out, and soon I will be able to start doing some work on the lathe again and posting videos. So glad you joined me, and I hope you enjoyed this update, and we will see you real soon.